How to change TikTok privacy settings to public. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to change TikTok privacy settings to public. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store and search for TikTok, and then make sure to click on that update button if it is available. Once you have done updating your TikTok app, then now you may open it. And then what you're going to do right here is to go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you are in your profile, go to the upper right corner of the screen, which is the three lines button. And then go to settings and privacy, and then scroll down a little bit until you can see the privacy settings right here. So now, once you're in your privacy settings, make sure to turn off private account right here so that your account will be on public mode or everyone can see your account. And then also on the interactions right here, make sure to turn these settings to everyone. So on comments, click on everyone. On mentions and tags, make sure to choose everyone and everyone right here, as well as on direct message. You may check on followers that you follow back, as well as followers you follow back and people you sent message to, and not just no one right here. And then on Duet, you should also check or choose everyone, as well as the Stitch, so that your fans may be able to duet your video as well as your fans may stitch your video so that everyone may see your videos as well. So on downloads, you may turn this on or off if you want to. On your following list, if you want to turn it to everyone, then turn it to everyone. Your like videos, you may choose either no one, I mean only me, or everyone. And then you may choose or customize these settings right here. So that's it. That's how you can change TikTok privacy settings to public.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.